Thomas Alva Edison was one of the most well-known inventors of all time, who held a world record of 1,093 patents and also created the world's first industrial research laboratory. Edison began his career in 1863, in the adolescence of the telegraph industry. Before he died, in 1931, he had played a critical role in introducing the modern age of electricity. From his laboratories and workshops stemmed the phonograph, the carbon button transmitter for the telephone speaker and microphone, the incandescent lamp, the first commercial electric light and power system, as well as a host of other inventions. But in this video, we will mainly focus on his invention of the incandescent lamp, also known as Edison's light bulb. It was January 1879 when Edison had built his first high-resistance incandescent electric light. It worked by passing electricity through a thin platinum filament in the glass vacuum bulb, which delayed the filament from melting. Still, the lamp only burned for a few short hours. So, in order to improve the bulb, Edison tested thousands and thousands of other materials to use for the filament. He began testing the carbonized filaments of every plant imaginable, and further experimentation produced filaments that could burn longer and longer with each test. Eventually, after hundreds and hundreds of failures, he finally found the perfect material for his filament: bamboo. This fast-growing plant had long, strong fibers that would glow bright for a long time without burning out. And so, finally, Edison's light bulb was ready in 1880. It was a product of the continued improvements Edison made to the 1879 bulb. For America and the rest of the world, Edison's bright idea changed the way the world looked forever. Even though it is over 100 years old, this bulb looks very much like the light bulbs lighting your house right now. And although electric technology now has developed a lot since Edison's time, it was his determination to keep trying even after so many failures that first made it possible.